Well, good morning, paper engineers in training. I thought I would show you my very first tools that I had 16 years ago. Now, as you can see, this piece right here, all right, I took a straight pin that I found and I put it inside that heavy cardstock and I squeezed it together and glued that all together, and that's what I had to use to perf the paper to make the legs on the AT-AT walker. I had 32 little perfs per 1/8 inch dowel that I had to put in the legs. Now, just in case you need to know what that is, that's those leg joints. That's those leg joints right there. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now, all those leg joints had to be made. I did not have a hole punch back then. And so anyway, that was 16 years ago. Now we step up further on what's going on. These tweezers are what I used since the beginning. I forgot to get them in the right spot. Now, this is a 0.3 millimeter lead pencil. That's what I used. And this 0.5. Now I figured out the 0.5 was better, and I don't use this 0.3 anymore. Bic pen, of course. And then I got these dental tools. Oh, and I should be using my pointer. What the heck's wrong with me? Dental tools. And they have become extremely handy. And of course, a better pair of scissors than them other ones. Because I actually, that green set, I completely wore it out, fixed it, wore it out, fixed it, wore it out, fixed it so many times it wouldn't cut anymore. And so anyway, I had to go with some better ones. There we stepping up a little further from 2016. This has been invaluable. The Dremel light tool has saved me hundreds, if not thousands of hours. I use this ruler now, always. It's a 6-inch machinist steel rule. And all the different clamps that I have, those are just some of them. Yeah, I mean some of them. I got lots more clamps of all different sizes because of what you have to use. Rubber bands work too. Elmer's glue, as you can see. Oh wait, there's the black pearl. I'm sorry everybody, but that is going on the mantle and it will not be seen anymore in the show. So, oh, and I don't know if you want an autographed photograph of me or not, but $30 and you can have an autographed photo of me with the black pearl. But there is my next progression. I got these scissors. Oh, come on, use the pointer. I got these scissors, were given to me by from Joe Pelosi, very good gentleman up in Canada. And so, and I got these here tweezers, much better than the old flat ones. Those work really, really well. So anyway, more to come. Okay, Paper Army, I'm back. Now this is the graduation. After 16 years, I've shown you the tools that I've used all the way along. Well, this is the last group of tools. Now, you see that? Oh, gosh darn it, use the pointer. You see that right there? Yeah, that's a really important piece. That is what I set all my tracked vehicles up with. If you don't have that jig, it is not going to work. And you can see now I have lots of rulers. I also have a heavy-duty Dremel for doing some cutting. And you need this. All right? And you need, well, I got all of those too. And you need one of these. But that is advanced work and everything else you can do basically with the first set of tools that I used when I first started. You don't have to have anything else. You just sort of over years accumulate more stuff. Anyway, take care, Paper Army. I love you a lot. You're fantastic human beings. I do my live shows 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time as a work week, Monday through Friday. So thank you for coming to my phone show. I love you all. Take care.